anything po that is too much is not really good, no? It's okay to have a mirror, design-wise, aesthetically maganda, lalo na pag maliit yung space mo. Pero, having so much of mirror, nagba-bounce back lahat ng energy. Okay lang kung the house is of good energy. Kasi hindi lalabas kahit ba umikot-ikot-ikot yan kasi good. But what if your actually energy inside the house is not good? So, ina-amplify ng mirrors yan. No? So, the best positions of the mirror actually is in the dining room. Kung saan po dapat yung table ninyo, yung dining table, na mi-mirrorize niya yung laman ng table nyo pag kumakain. Kasi that constantly multiplies whatever you are serving. So that is for abundance. Maganda rin po na mag-mirror. Pag maliit yung space, siguraduhin nyo lang hindi nakatapat sa door. Nakatapat sa window, not so ideal. But kung wala naman kayo ibang pupwestuhan, okay lang.